Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to switch to classic view on Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Switching to Salesforce Classic View from the Lightning experience is a straightforward process. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the profile icon and click on it. Now, you see there's going to be an option here that says switch to Salesforce Classic. Basically, that's how you can easily switch to Classic View on Salesforce. Now, let me tell you that basically Salesforce has two main user interfaces. One is the Lightning experience, which is going to be the modern with more features, and the Salesforce Classic, which is going to be the older version. Once you click the switch to Salesforce Classic, obviously you're going to revert back to the older version, all right, which is going to be a lot easier if you are used to the older version. And if you're just temporarily switching from the Classic to Lightning experience, all right? Now, long-time users who have been using Salesforce Classic may find it more comfortable and familiar, leading to increased productivity as they navigate through the tasks they already know. And of course, users who are not accustomed to the Lightning interface might prefer the Classic to avoid the learning curve associated with the new features and layouts. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.